Want to create AI-generated images using the Google Gemini app on your iPhone? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Google Gemini app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on the plus icon or the tools icon near the chat box. Now, select the Create Image option from the menu. After that, type a detailed description of the image you want to generate. For example, you can type something like two twin girls at Disneyland wearing purple dresses. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the AI image result will be. You can also use the voice input option if you don't want to type the description manually. Once your prompt is ready, tap on the send or arrow button. Now wait a few seconds while Gemini processes your request and generates the image. After the image appears, you can view it, save it, or generate another version with a different prompt. If the image creation option doesn't appear on your screen, make sure your Gemini app is updated to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you can create AI images with Google Gemini on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and AI tutorials.